Excuse me po.
Okay, so tayo natin sila ng
Abangan na lang po dito, abangan na lang. Sir, abangan na lang sila. Tayo na lang. Our Secretary of the Department of Government Secretary Julia, the Chief of the Bureau of Jail Management and Technology, Jail Director Noel Rivera, and the Regional Director of the Museum, the NCR, Jail Chief Superintendent Baby Noel Montal. To begin, we will hear now the opening statement and message from the Secretary of the Interior Local Government, Secretary of
Justice Reyes at saka si Secretary Davidson. Kanila ang paghahanda ng DLG ukol sa parating na paglipis ng kaso tungkol sa floodgate scandal ng Congress. At dito po sila para tignan kung karapat-dapat ang ating pasilidad, kung handa ang ating mga tao, at kung banayad ang kondisyon ng mga nilalagay dito. Ipapakita po namin ang kailangan ng handa ang pasilidad. 108 rooms are available para sa lahat ng mga overtime. Dala siguro si Justice Reyes na ang pasilidad.
I will be referring to Singleton, but I have to say crime does not pay. There is no perfect crime, but this is a almost perfect jail facility. Thank you.